Before Jerusalem, before the cross, before the empty tomb, there was Shechem, a city carved between mountains, a place of covenant, a land where Abraham first heard the promise, where Joshua called a nation to choose, where history and prophecy collided. But what if Shechem holds more than memories? What if hidden within the Hebrew letters, etched into ancient valleys, embedded in the very first verse of Genesis, lies a supernatural signature pointing to Golgotha? Unearthing the mysteries of ancient Shechem is a spiritual excavation unlike any other. From acrostics that conceal the name of Yahweh, to Paleo-Hebrew symbols that form the image of the cross, to Shechem's terrain that literally depicts the glory of Golgotha, now uncovered for the world to see. This is a journey into mysteries long buried in plain sight. Written by Messianic Rabbi Zev Porat, raised in the heart of Orthodox Judaism and transformed by a life-altering encounter with Yeshua, this work invites readers into discoveries that bridge scripture, archaeology, prophecy, and the end of days. The hidden things revealed, the ancient stones speaking, and a message that echoes from the beginning of time to the end of days. Once you step into Shechem's secret, everything changes.